We've worked with Minnesota families during some very difficult transitions. And one pattern we see is what happens when there isn't a clear plan in place for a child with special needs. During life, things often feel stable. Parents are actively involved, decisions are made day to day, support systems are in place. But without long-term planning, the stability can be hard to maintain over time. At Yanowitz law firm, we sometimes step in when families are trying to navigate these situations without a clear structure. And that's where challenges tend to surface. There may be uncertainty around who will take on decision-making responsibilities. Family members may not have clear direction on how to provide support. And financial resources, if they exist, may not be structured in a way that supports the child effectively. We also see situations where assets are left without a coordinated plan. The intention was to provide support, but without the right structure, it can create confusion or unintended complications. Here's a simple example. A Minnesota family has a child with special needs, but never formalizes a long-term plan. Over time, assets accumulate. Support is provided informally, but when circumstances change, there's no clear framework in place. Family members are left trying to interpret what parents would have wanted. From their perspective, it creates uncertainty at a time when clarity is most needed. The key shift is this: planning for a child with special needs isn't just about today. It's about creating continuity for the future. It's about making sure support continues in a clear and structured way. For many families, that means thinking about the roles, resources, and how everything works together over time. If you haven't created a plan, or if your current plan hasn't been revisited as things have changed, it may be worth taking a closer look. And if you're not sure where to start, that's exactly the kind of conversation we're here to help guide.